All right, part 2 of the video. So, it's been boiling about 12 minutes. It's technically done in terms of like doneness. I did taste it. Definitely needed a lot more salt, which I'm about to add. A little more garlic powder. And it's not lemony enough for me. And I'm also gonna add some more ginger. So, I'm really bad with measurements. I'm gonna assume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grinds of Himalayan sea salt.
It's about half a teaspoon.
It's not half a teaspoon. That's definitely more than half a teaspoon. 6?
I would say it's about half a teaspoon.
Okay. You know better than me. I'm gonna add some pepper. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same amount. This much more of garlic powder.
I would say that's a teaspoon. And you've already added about a teaspoon of each spice.
So I've essentially doubled those 3 spices. Lemon juice, what did I do? I think a 5-second squirt last time. Gonna do another 5-second squirt. Boom.
So it's probably like a 1/4 cup of lemon juice.
It's not like a 10 Mississippi squirt. It's more probably like a 5 Mississippi squirt when it's all done. But you guys get what I'm saying. Rewind the tape if you need. Then you can do about the same thing with the lemon juice. I didn't go that crazy last time.
Lime.
Lime juice, excuse me. My debut video, I'm stumbling and mumbling over here. All right, let's grab that. Ginger. See, this is what quarantine does to you, folks. So I put 4 last time. I'm gonna do 3 more.
A lot of ginger.
Boom.
Daddy, there's video.
Whoa, Rocky. All right. And let's do another taste. Perfect. Perfect. So let me pour a little bowl and show you what we look like. So typically when I do make this soup, and I actually plan for it, I'll put like an entire rotisserie chicken in here. And instead of the asparagus, I will put zucchini. And I also definitely put a lot more orzo than I had today. But like I said, I'm making this on a whim. Add some nice juice and broth. And check it out, baby. Check that out. All right, all. Hope I motivate some people to make some chicken soup this week.